Hey guys, Fitness Haven here. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know Christmas was a week and a bit ago, and I know New Year's was a couple days ago, but I hope Christmas was great to you guys, and I hope you had a fun time on New Year's Eve and midnight when you celebrated the new year and everything like that. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that I plan to do for the next year or so. Because over the last couple of weeks, I've been trying to learn how to do stuff correctly with YouTube and everything like that, and how to really be professional and consistent and a whole bunch of other stuff to make this YouTube channel go viral, because I know for a fact that there aren't very many YouTube channels out there that actually kind of focus on the niche market of people that have these disabilities. And I know there aren't very many personal trainers out there that actually do that type of personal training where they work with someone that has a disability. And that's the whole concept behind this YouTube channel, is to give people that are in fitness and want to be in a fitness a unique perspective on what fitness can do. And what I mean by that is to give people a point of view of what fitness can do for people that are overweight, and those people that are overweight that think it's impossible to lose the weight that they want to lose, as well as those people that want to build a lot of muscle and think it's impossible to build that muscle and everything, and for those people that think it's just impossible to become healthy in general. And then finally, my niche market, where people that have disabilities, whether they're born with or not, whether it's a physical disability, an intellectual disability, a learning disability, or some sort of other condition that is affecting someone's health. And that's the whole idea behind this channel, is to give people a unique perspective and a great perspective on what fitness can do for you. Okay, and that's what this whole channel is all about. Through doing that, I'm going to be doing tutorial videos on how to do certain exercises, topic related videos about certain topics that people might be interested in, or that have a question type idea type stuff. Workout videos of myself, just for the fun of it, because a lot of people are very interested in that type of thing, as well as vlogs on how I live my life, the way I live my life, because as I've said before in multiple videos, I myself am physically disabled, and I have left hemicerebral palsy, meaning my whole left side doesn't work as well as my right, due to my cerebrum of my brain that sends signals to the muscles to move their body like this. See, as you can see, my left hand cannot rotate like this, and I can't really close anything like that. I can close it, but I can't do it as much as this. I don't have much dexterity as I do with my right. And same thing with my whole right foot and leg and everything and all that. My whole left side cannot move as well as my right. And that's the fun times of having cerebral palsy, whether it's left hemi, right hemi, diplegic, or paraplegic, is that when you have cerebral palsy, depending on the extent of the cerebral palsy affecting the body, you might not be able to move all of the body, might might be able to move half of the body, you might be able to just move 3/4 of the body due to the damage that cerebral palsy has affected on the brain. So, but in any case, I hope you guys, as I said before, had a great Christmas and had a happy New Year. And I hope you had a lot of fun with the past couple of weeks and everything like that. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you stay tuned for for future videos of what I plan to do, as I said before, with all the topic videos, tutorial videos, vlogs, workout videos, and all sorts of other stuff that I plan to do through this channel because of what I've been learning for the last couple of weeks. Okay? So if you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to stay tuned for future videos, subscribe. And if you are subscribed, hit that bell icon to stay tuned for the future videos to come, and when they're posted, you can see them right then and there. Okay? I'll see you guys later.